Yeah, welcome, welcome. Dude, why did they change this? Dude, why did they change this? Whatever. Hate Windows 11. Yeah, it's out. It's out. Game is out. Link in description. Decided to just send it last night. Game name is Stop Brain Rots. Someone literally stole my game name like 2 days before I was gonna publish this, I guess. I was gonna do Stop the Brain Rots, but someone stole it. So I just did Stop Brain Rots. I got rid of the. Unfortunate, but whatever. Full in-depth Git tutorial with PRs, collaborators, and version control would be awesome. Yeah, that would be a good one. Are you running ads? Yes. Just started running ads. About 20 ad credits have been used since last night. So, like, not much has happened, but yeah. Expect to see some growth here in the next 2 weeks, pretty much. Yeah, diamond's way rarer. Diamond is 10 times rarer than golden, so that checks out. 300 active. It's just a ad spike. Don't expect anything. It'll go back down to like 50 in like 5 minutes. Thing is, you can't get happy about the ad spikes because when it spikes back down, then you get sad. You know what I mean? Do you make the brain rot models? No, I bought them from a pack. Being a solo dev is so hard. I finished most of the coding stuff in my game and I can't build such model. Yeah, dude, it's a lot of work. There's so many like little things that just is beyond like coding and building even. Yeah, settings is actually on my list of things to do today. Let me make an announcement on Discord also. Hello. People have trillions of cash already. Grinding. Although it's slop cans, now you put heaps of effort into it. Hope it works out for you. Hey, I hope so too. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything inherently slop about the way I coded the game. Maybe originally there was, but I kind of cleaned things up. But it's just the genre itself is slop. You know, studs, brain rot, whatever. This, like, loop as well. Let's start. Average session time so far. I mean, I don't have like any data because it hasn't even been a day since it's been released. I can look at what this? No, yeah, I don't even have session time. Yeah, literally everything is just no data. So, yes, Buster, I did fix the upgrades being hard to click. Hey, I hope so, Dino. Yeah, I think this can do well. I hope so. After how long of Lua coding did you start using VS? I started using VS Code like 3 years ago now. I think that makes sense. Hey, Sam. I don't know. Golden required, tower free rebirth aren't working for it. Yes, I did notice that. That's another thing that I need to fix. I made all of the assets except the brain rots. Just discovered strip sync. Don't use Roho sense. I think they don't necessarily. Strip sync doesn't replace Roho, in my opinion. But it is nice to be able to just open up any project and then instantly use strip sync on it. But there are some things that, like, for instance, how I set up my hierarchy tree here. I then map it differently in Studio compared to VS Code. Same with like a package manager like Wally, for example. I don't know of any way to an in-studio package manager, but I'm curious, how did you balance all the monetary gain, damage, and whatnot without a testing team or something? A lot of it scales just basically the damage doubles each tower roughly. And the enemies are based off of your damage on that floor. And then the luck required for each tower doubles roughly. So in theory, it's very... I don't want to say linear. Like, it would be exponential, but the progression is a constant exponent. Like, I guess literally the derivative. The... it would be linear of the expert. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. Besides that, it's just like literally playing and seeing how things feel. Okay, so I have a couple things that we need to do today. Settings. The friend button, like reward / join group, offline rewards, and a couple of little things like unbinding the backpack. I want to add a couple more rebirths and conveyors. Are you sponsoring the name? Yes. You should make the seconds left between. Oh, like on the crate? Yeah, I thought about doing that, but it didn't really seem important. To use buffers. None for this game, although I have used buffers in the past. Have bug when I leave, it stops showing the tutorial. That's intended. I just made it so that it completes the tutorial if you leave, because yeah, it just gets annoying. Okay, let's get started, although I forgot my Red Bull, so give me 1 sec. Like a fully advanced admin panel to make admin abuse? Yeah, maybe. What do you do from here? Just keep running ads so Roblox picks up the game and recommend it a lot. Essentially, yeah, we're gonna be running ads for about 2 weeks. And in that time, making improvements based off of feedback and what the stats are saying. So a lot of what I'm doing today on stream is gonna be things that didn't quite make the cut for initial release, and also feedback. I've done some bug fixes as well already. Published those. There was probably like 4 or 5, not major bugs, but noticeable bugs. Use Satchel for the inventory? Nope. Just made this like custom. Hey, Bear. Thanks a minute. Game name is Stop Brain Rots. Hey, 434. Is it doing well? Well, it released like less than a day ago, so it's starting off basically. What do you think of anime tower defense games? It seems like every single one that comes out does extremely well for like 4 months, and then the next one comes out and that one drops off, and they're like one of the highest earning games. So, but they are also a ton of work. Fix one bug and all of a sudden 3 bugs appear. Yeah. Okay. In the game link? Yeah, I should do that. You're the Ronaldo of programming? Okay, let's make a... what? A settings menu? Sure. So I'm gonna go to app, HUD, menus, new file, settings, menu. I also need to do this, and I'm gonna also real quick grab settings, service. And I'm gonna paste it inside of features and then rename this just to settings. Settings, service, client. Settings, service, server. And settings, service, utils. Gotta change the title of the game. How come? Yeah. Infinite yield possible on what? Okay, and then in data template, we just need to create a thing called settings, music, core packages. Oh, that doesn't matter. Bug on TPing to your plot? Fix. What's the bug? Are you running ads? Yes. Spam your TP button. Bit of best, no. No leaderboards. There are leaderboards. We're gonna need to get the icon for this. Spam your TP button. Okay. I probably need to be lag. I'm guessing. Look at your errors. Let me give myself some lag. Probably try out Vide prod. Turn on output. I got output on in the bottom right. Yeah, that's something I need to fix today. Aircraft 8. Okay, let's get a settings icon. I think it's wrong to have Roblox with boxes in your game. Look at any top earning game on the platform. Literally every single one has it. It's about something new. It's newer, yes. I need a gear / settings icon. $13 adjustments. Yeah, it's better. Export. What do you mean infinite? You think burnout trend is gonna die out sooner, say? It'll probably die out soon-ish, as in next couple months, if I had to guess. Add a still function? Maybe. You pay for Photoshop or do you get it for free? I pay for it, although my subscription's about to end. I'm gonna just do a free... There's this other thing, I forgot what it's called. But I was gonna switch to that instead. Because I don't really need this. Like how I help with the NPCs for clashes and crash bots. Oh, I see what you mean. Affinity. Oh, maybe that. That sounds right. Is affinity new? Or no? No, not this. There was like a new program that I saw that Affinity recently became free. Okay, maybe that. There was something I saw like a month or two ago that I could find it. Now I'm actually curious. It was Affinity. Yeah, it was Affinity. You're right. Because, like, dude, I'm very familiar with Photoshop. I've been using it for years. But I don't need all of the tools that it gives me, and it's expensive. Like, I really just need some pretty basic functionalities, like a magic wand, or the quick selection tool, spot healing, obviously paintbrush and pencil, pen. Like, I think that's pretty much it. Being able to, you know, change some, whatever. Like, I mean, you could try and make towers if you want, infinite. I don't know if that, it's pretty, I don't know if that would be too difficult or not, though, but I do want to do, like, community submissions, so if I try it, yeah, I will try out Affinity. Just use Affinity? Okay, yeah. Those trash icons with the weird numbers. Like, the game thumbnails? You could off stream, or is the whole development streamed? For this game, most of it was done on stream. I'd say like 75-80% was done on stream. Any plans to get CCU up? Wait. Literally play it, yeah. See, he gets it. Um... Okay, cool. Make badges for the game? Yeah. What optimization tips do you have for a game that need constant server and client communication? For example, Poison Candy game. I mean, a Poison Candy game would not need constant at all. How do we get to brain rods? Through test. You can blame the testers, but they said that the slimes were repetitive, which I agreed with. One visual I recommend is the sign that displays player's name. Avatar should be smaller on the right, not in the middle. Maybe game set team see a hit. Damn. Setting frame. Props. Text. Path. String or string. What layout order? Layout order. I mean, that's literally what it's based off of, Mass Mage. I don't think it should be complicated. I don't think it needs to be adding like that much. Yeah. Do a shop frame. Add Carlos as a shopkeeper. Yeah, maybe. This should be shot frame.gray. Would brain rots have their own networker? Each brain rot? No. No, the brain rots I got from a pack. Let's see what this looks like. Not terrible. And then we'll just have a stud button. Which will be... What's the playtime on this game? It hasn't even been out for 24 hours, so I don't have any data. Stud button... If... Oh, wait. I'm missing a hook. Do you use ads? Yep. I have ads running right now. Well, let's just do this. Setting service client, setting service utils. Setting service client, setting service utils, and use data state. Thanks, the squad. Thanks, Mathmage. Appreciate it. What would you say is the biggest pro using a declarative UI framework like React Provide? Biggest pro of just using declarative in general is that everything is based off of state. So like if a variable is something, your UI will look like that. Like it wouldn't be like out of sync ever. You give it some state and it will be that. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to close that. Which can also be hard to grasp at first. Use setting set path. If value then stud button dot green else stud button dot red. Do I not have a red stud button? Okay. That's weird. Okay, cool. That is pretty much good to go. No, Jester. This is like release. Slop cells. No, I'm not doing Steal a Brain Rot. Is there a reason why you didn't add leader stats for stuff like money or rebirth levels to the game? I mean, I could. I didn't really think about it. Thanks of it. I'm pretty sure this is all we need, by the way. Oh, I guess we need to do... What, this? Oh, I already did this. Dang. Look at me. Oh, we also need top bar. Top bar buttons? Yeah. Play other player stats and yeah, I could. I didn't really think about doing the leader stats at all, but I suppose I could. I guess. Yeah, whatever. Hey, appreciate it, Bako. I appreciate it. Let's make a like top bar thing here. Oh, I guess I technically already have one. Let me make a top bar buttons then. Top bar buttons dot luau. And just gonna copy this, paste settings button. So we don't need this. Don't need this. Settings button. Destroy. Do you need menu? Okay. Menu, image IDs. Menu, image IDs. Menu, with menu, setting service client. Shouldn't need that. Use setting, good. Data template, good. Good. Setting initializer, done. Mount UI. I need to also call top bar button. This should be an S. I thought about doing that gesture. I did think about doing that. Okay, we need to also install Top Bar Plus. Which means I need to update my Wally. So fun. Everyone loves adding new packages. I should actually update Networker. Dude, I need to go to Wally and see what version this is on. I think we're on... What? We're on 4. In data service, did I update this too? Oh, wait, what? So many people have forks of my stuff on here. I kept on going to other people's. I never realized that. What about service player data? Okay, I think all of that's up to date. The main thing was the networker. Okay, then we need to do the old Wally install. Actually, hold on. Let me commit this stuff first. Am I dumb? I am dumb. Ah! And then I need to go to my own YouTube video just to copy this command. And it probably won't even work. Yep, classic. Rojo, no. Luau, generate source map. And I think I need to do it in not PowerShell. And there we go. And now that should work. Yeah. Okay, cool. Hey, Bugs. Ammo straight, thank you. Nice 360. With this, we need to do image ID settings. Image ID settings white. Okay, we just didn't install any of the Wally packages. Sick. Oh, no, it's because I didn't rerun this. Bro! Dude, every time I need to install Wally packages... Why are we angry? Yeah, fund. I'm aware of that. I know I need to fix that. I'll probably do that on stream today. Why are we angry? Is Camel Catch recommended by Lua Stagad? Yes. Oh. This should all be fine. Oh. My Roho disconnected. Classic. What was it doing? Oh yeah, settings button. Cool. To initialize settings, service, client, init. And then on server, we need to initialize settings, service, server. Do we want this to be... Probably want this on left, right? Yeah, left is better. Okay, let me unmute. Okay, I hear music. I know you guys can't. Okay, it works. And does it save? It has bugs? Like what? What's up, Magnor? Yeah, it's playable. Okay, settings done. You have something in inventory, even if you have it on the third slot. If you press 1, it equips without any box in your hand. I'm not sure I know what you mean. Also, that sounds like a pretty minor bug, too. Will you run ads? I am right now. Leaf, I always try to write everything perfectly optimized on the first try, but it just wastes time. You code first, optimize later, right? Yes. Look up the death of early optimization on YouTube. Is it performing well? I mean, it's been less than a day, so don't really have any data to go off of. It's your seat. Thanks, Bear. Let's disable the backpack. How do I do that? I have to look this up every single time. Happy with the CCU? I mean, no. I literally just released it. Give it 2 weeks. Then we can start talking about... Then we can begin to start talking about CCU. I did not hear the news. What's up, Sect? Set core GUI enabled false. Dang, that's so real, Sect. That's crazy. I actually thought about doing that, JXN. What is it? Starter GUI set core GUI enabled, like that. Then I also want to do inventory service client. Red strip sync? No. I'm just gonna do if. What is the backtick? Tilde? Yeah. Can I just make like a toggle backpack thing? What the hell is that? equals... Wait, is it actually back quote? Okay, well, tilde did not work. It's back quote? Okay. I wasn't sure because they're on the same key, but I guess... Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, cool. We can disable this. Yes, Light, I am aware. That's something on my list I need to do today. I forgot to make the UI for gifting. Classic. It's funny because all of the back end is there and working, and I made all the products. I just completely didn't make the UI for gifting. Disable or yeah, it's in the description. Yeah, Liam, I just did that. Literally just wrote the speech line. Yeah, I can see your messages, bro. Okay. Next up, we need to make the friend thing. Bottom bar. I want this to actually be a button. The heck? Should just be able to do that. I want to see how big that button actually is. Okay, yeah, too big. Like... Guess that's fine. Yeah, I know that guy. I need to fix that. It's on my list of things to do. Just rejoin and it'll fix it. Kind of annoying, I know. I hope a lot more than that gesture. I also think it's very hard to judge on the potential CCO of games, because I don't think anyone in this chat would see survive a tsunami for brain rots and think that's going to get millions of CCU, or even grow a garden for that matter. How do you prompt friend invites? Prompt game invite? Social service? Prompt phone book? Just that? I think that's all we need, right? Table collisions with turrets. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing that. Maybe it would be for the best. Dawn, does that still happen, or did that happen to you like yesterday? Because I think I should have fixed that, I hope. Just lots of experience, Pedro. Okay, friend button is done. Lots of little things. Playing the game now. Okay, that's interesting. Obviously should not happen. Like, I was having that issue yesterday, but I thought I fixed it. Yeah, it's annoying. I do, like, there is a fix that I don't really want to do, but it wouldn't be that bad. The fix would be to make this GUI be always on top. These tower upgrade GUIs, I would have to set them to be always on top. But then you can see, like, they are always on top. Which, like, I don't know how big of a deal that would be. Like, I would disable the ones that are above you when you're not on that level. I should probably just do that. Yeah, probably late. I don't know. Should I just send always on top? With, like, distance. Like this. I don't know. Like, I don't like that at all, actually. Okay, fair enough. I personally don't like that, but maybe I'm just being too nitpicky. Make the towers uncollidable. Yes, I have. It's not a bug. Yeah, okay, we can just do that. Service. Okay, so people are saying there's an issue when you rebirth, that your previous towers just stay there, right? But I have not been able to reproduce it, which is what I'm confused about. No, that is intentional. There's like ghost models is what people are reporting. Like, look. Like, this tower doesn't actually exist. It's like... Did someone else say they had this bug? You have a whole bunch of QA testers? No. Yeah, what if I give myself a lag? What if I give myself a lot of lag? Like, I know if you're opening a crate, that would happen. But is that really what's happening to everyone? Like, that seems kind of uncommon, right? I mean, maybe not. Because, like, if you're opening the thing that causes you to rebirth, then the first thing you do is go and rebirth. Maybe that's what's happening, actually. It'll be an easy fix then. Crate, open. Yeah, I made them non-collidable now. I think that'll be for the best. Wait, why does this even break? Oh, interesting. Oh. You know what I can do is just say local rebirths. Mm. Why are we angry? Oh. Found the bug for you for the ghost hours. Is it just like when rebirthing? I'm assuming, because that's how I'm able to reproduce it. Yeah, okay. Cool. It's a fairly straightforward fix then. I think it's just this. Yeah, Crunch. I just changed that. I haven't published yet, but I made it so that they're not collidable in the dev environment. Okay. That fixes it. It still will do the animation, but like in the wrong spot, but who cares? That is not worth like fixing. Gets rid of like the ghost at least, which it's worth fixing. No, it's not. For hours round 2. What happened to the bullet hell game? I got tired. No, but for real, I think that idea had potential. And it was not gonna be a 24-hour game, that's for sure. At least the way I was going about it. Hey, Murky. How much you spent on ads? I mean, I started doing ads like late last night, and it's probably spent like 30 ad credits by now. Not much at this point. You walk while in dragging mode. It just teleports the UI to the top left corner. Are you on mobile? The game does not play flashlight. Yeah, no, exactly. Like, I was trying to, like, come up with what the game was while trying to also do it in 24 hours. And I think it actually has potential to be a real game that I would make. But I would have to think about it a lot more. Okay, I think we fixed that. Oh, we need to make sure our StarterGui does not reset when we reset. Edit the individual screen GUIs. Okay. Yeah, I forget how this works. Reset on spawn. Like, why is that the default? Nearest to the spawn. Yeah, I just changed these to be always on top, so it will fix it. It's just annoying. If I had to guess, something is getting in the way of the mouse, but I don't know. I was testing it a bit last night, and I couldn't really figure out what was going on, so... Well. This will work. Yeah, like, this is guaranteed to work, and surface GUIs are notoriously buggy, so this is probably for the best anyways. Leave ignore switch chat. Yeah. Oops. Thanks, Backnor. He doesn't like us. True. Thanks, Script Cats. Appreciate it. Oh, gift system. Yeah, thank you. Forgot to make the UI. What are the codes? There's one code right now, and it's 6-7. I can add a new one. It not work? It'll take like a minute for your server update. When are you gonna make a passion project? I mean, is that not what Crash Rots was? Oh, gifting, right? Why'd you leave him when stats are bad? Unrecoverable. Or game loop issue. Character's the shopkeeper and the cell tower. Yeah. Got a little lazy there. That didn't add stickers. Facts. Maybe, Mert. You get stronger mobs by putting down stronger towers. Maybe, Mert. I don't know. Something like that, guessed. There's some tricks being done. You even think you would work with the team to develop a game? I have in the past. Burner? Nah. He's an OG. He was one of the top Tower Defense RNG players. Exploiting as in spending money. See day one analytics. They're not even in yet. The game hasn't been out for a day. I got them from a pack. Next. Player portrait. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then I need on close, I think. Yeah. On close. Menu, set open menu, shop. Yep, Kitty, I actually just fixed that. Haven't published it yet, but we got that fixed. Okay, and then we need a gift received menu. Gift received. That's not how you spell received. I have a default size. No. I don't know. You think this is gonna work? Probably not, but maybe. Let me just click play real quick. Your offline earnings? Not yet, actually. You get the game icon and thumbnails? I made them. Make admin abuse? Maybe. It like actually worked, except I never opened up the gift received menu. Which I guess I can do. I don't even know where I should put this code. I guess just like down here. Bro. Product gift data. Think I need to do that. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then start 2 clients up. Yeah, no problem, Don. Wait, the tower to 0. Wait, that's funny. It's funny that it even shoots. I mean, it makes sense, but it's just funny. Okay. Gifting seems to work. It's because this tower does, percentage of best. And I had no other towers down. Trying to make the turret movement smooth. Not needed. It's not even broken, it's just there literally was no other tower to base the percentage. Like 2 times 0 is still 0, you know? Okay, gifting works. So we also have to do the like reward. Because who doesn't like to have a big ego from a like ratio? No, I think anything above 80%, it doesn't actually matter. Honestly, anything above 70% doesn't even matter. Why is the like ratio? Because I don't have the like reward. You know if the player is liked or not. That's the neat part. You can't. Not exactly. Nutella knows what's up. It'll start lower and then naturally get higher. Especially because a lot of people in like my Discord server are mean. Good one. Much better. A Lambo. No, no, no. I mean, this game is pretty crash grabby, let's be honest. Where am I? This, that. No. What? Oh. Why was that not airing? There's other functions like setting which menus open. Like, look. You can set the open menu, get the open menu. What is bro doing? New face cam. Licking his toes. Oh. Gonzo. Dad. Now I'm just massive. Is that right? I feel like everything's messed up now, but I can't tell why. Whatever. Just like plot service, client. Do I need a style? I don't know, dude. Shop utils. Okay, here's what I'll do. So that should work. We need to give them access to this though. And then how do I want to do this? Maybe just like after playing for 6 minutes. Yeah. That might be annoying though. That would prompt every time, and I just want it to be the first time they played. Thanks, Guru. Thanks. Yeah, I hope it does alright. We'll see you in like 2 weeks. I want to wait 7 minutes. It didn't work. Oh, because we're not actually calling the function. Correct, Baza. Yeah, I feel like that was the easiest way to like display the information. It's just one number. And then let's open up the asset manager. This is models. The robot. Yeah, it's a solar project. I did think about doing that, Merrick, yeah. Add names to the ring routes. Like, are you talking about on their health bar or what? I could do that. I never really considered it. Like maybe this one should be a lot smaller. Something like that, I guess. I think that's good enough. Yeah. Oh. Bruh. Oh, what? Oh, that's funny. Not starter pack. Like, reward. Oh, that's gonna be an issue. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, it's just this. Come on. Okay, nice. And then what? Is that it? You fixed the gift button? Already did. You did that just a bit ago. Gifting works. Oh, we need to get rid of the loading thing. Yeah, it'll be fixed after I restart servers. Yeah, I need to, once I finish this, I'm gonna publish, and then we will restart servers. Like get parts and bounce and box. I don't think I've used that in years. Yeah, I'll be adding new stuff often. Right now, I was just doing a lot of like things that didn't quite make the initial day one release. So gifting, which I just completely missed, then a bunch of like little things like actually inviting your friends here, like rewards, bug fixes, that kind of stuff. Does upgrading a turret upgrade the specific turret? This wasn't the specific turret. Okay, I think that is good to go. Yeah, Cersei. It's not even, it's been 1 day. It's not on algorithm yet. That's normal, yes. Normally, like, I expect to actually get a noticeable amount of players in about 2 weeks. How long does this game take? A month. By 2 weeks. That's how long it takes for games to start getting home recommendations. Technically, you start getting them, like, after a week, but then they kind of, like, compound off of each other. All code without AI. Yeah, I mean, I have Copilot, but that's just like autocomplete. Thanks, Givendi. Appreciate it. One partner spending on ads on launch day. Well, literally to get on the algorithm, you need to have about 2 weeks worth of data. It doesn't matter where those players are from, but 99% of the time, those players are from sponsors. Just because that's by far the easiest way to do it. But like you could theoretically get away with only doing like TikTok or whatever. You just need to have some data for it to go off of. Some initial data. And it just takes time. It's just how it is. Yeah, exactly. In 1 to 2 weeks. About 5K worth of ads. That's just not enough, unfortunately. As far as I'm aware, you want to do in a range of 30 to 70 ad credits a day. Is from what I've experienced and seen. You could probably get away with doing less than that, but you want to be doing like it consistently for like that amount for like 2 weeks. That in USD. Ad credits are nice because they're 1-to-1 USD. Yeah, that was definitely on the higher end. Like, I'm pretty sure when you go to the ad manager, it recommends you do like 20 a day by default. Which you probably could get away with that. Trying to do Rojo in it, and it's frozen the terminal. That's weird. I have no idea, Sliff. I never had to go through that. Okay, I think it's ready to publish what I've done today. I'm gonna do a quick 2-player test and we will see. But I'm like pretty sure we're good. Nice, Liam. Oh, interesting, Nax. Yeah, that's a weird case I never even considered. You be able to put your global event system on your GitHub? Oh, like the weather events? Oh, that's a bug. It doesn't matter. The weather event system is actually very simple. I got players at the beginning, and my average playtime was like 10 minutes, but I didn't have enough money to continue promoting. Yeah, you definitely need a sizable initial investment. But like once you start getting home recs, then it kind of compounds onto itself. Which is why I think I would recommend somehow getting that initial amount first. Probably through commissions, although like I said, I'd never really had to go through that. Okay, I think it's good to go, so I'm gonna publish this real quick. Yeah. Okay, I think it's good, I hope. Gonna kinda send it. I'm not sure, Flex. YouTube is broken? Oh, that's sad. I don't know why I pressed X on Studio. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, cool. Seems like everything's good. I click close and like ruin, so I got it. Yeah, if you're in the group and click close, it'll still give it to you. They just pushed a vibe code VR in YouTube. That's funny. Is that synth wave in the background? Yeah. How long did it take you to make the game? This took a month. Your messages all got banned. That's funny. What do you do outside of Roblox? Like, do you exercise daily? I feel like with the amount of games I'm working on at the moment to generate revenue for one game, it's been really stressful. Putting in your personal life, basically. I mean, I think it just is stressful. Lots of uncertainty with Roblox until you kind of have gotten to a certain point. It's called Stop Brain Rots, although it probably doesn't even show up in search, but there should be a pinned message. Yeah, do Roblox full time. You upload the other system to GitHub? Not at the moment, but maybe in the future. It's really not that complicated. Okay. Yeah. Everything is on client visually. Alright, nothing is supposed to happen. There's no losing. Just means you don't get the reward for killing them. Is there auto rejoining? Yes. At least there should be. Yeah, there should be. If you buy a crate, hold it, and then buy a new one, it will duplicate. I mean, you're just buying another crate. What do you mean? You should auto rejoin automatically. I think you just want to be consistent and run like X amount every day, as far as I'm aware. Don't spend 300 ad credits on one day. Don't do that. Okay. I am probably... I'm not entirely sure. Research. I'm probably gonna end stream here. But it's been fun. Oh, dang. Got a spender in the lobby. This guy has 2 pure mediums. And he's got triple. Big spender. Yeah, random it would. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Go play my game. Spend lots of money. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, bye.